try sliding it and see if you can make it run.
Yep.
Okay. Are we recording, Mike?
We are.
Okay, so Keegan's driving this car, and we have added coding to sense the temperature in the room, and that's displaying. Mike, you might show how the microbit is displaying temperature.
Do you want to stop it?
Yes, can you stop it? Good.
Okay, so temperature. Actually,
Temperature being recorded. Okay, so
to 5.3 and to 5.3. You can show me on the computer where it's given that readout or not.
yes.
Or you can just drive.
Yeah, are you recording now?
Yep.
Here is the temperature and humidity shown, and if we go to our data logger, we can see temperature being recorded, and if we write code for humidity, we can show that being recorded also. So there will be more about all this. So we've got our motor running. Can you try driving it or stopping it or going forward or backward, Keegan? Okay. And then backward.